Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to another episode of Daily AI Brief, where we dive into the hottest trends, innovations, and challenges in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, and today we have a packed agenda covering cutting edge developments from Tencent to NVIDIA and exploring transformative shifts in industries like consulting and manufacturing. Whether you're interested in high performance LLMs or the impact of AI on customer trust, we've got you covered. So, let's get coding into the latest news. In an exciting move for large language model (LLM) developers, Tencent Hunyuan has open-sourced HPC-Ops, a library designed to enhance high-performance inference. First up, what exactly happened? Tencent Hunyuan released HPC-Ops as an open-source high-performance inference operator library aimed at optimizing LLMs for increased efficiency and speed. At its core, HPC-Ops centers on optimizing critical operators like attention grouped gem, general matrix multiply, and fused mixture of experts using low-level CUDA kernels. Here's how it works. The library seamlessly integrates with existing inference frameworks via compact C and Python APIs. It optimizes at the operator level, which reduces latency and improves throughput, a critical factor in AI applications where performance can make or break user experience. The numbers speak volumes. In internal tests, HPC-Ops boosted the queries per minute QPM by 30% for Tencent HY models and 17% for DeepSeek models on mainstream inference cards. This marked improvement hints at what organizations can achieve by adopting HPC-Ops for their LLMs, though real-world performance can vary. NVIDIA has made a significant leap in video generation technology with the introduction of FastGen, an open-source library designed to optimize diffusion models. FastGen leverages causal distillation techniques to morph conventional bidirectional video diffusion models into streamlined, blockwise autoregressive structures. This transformation is not just a theoretical milestone. It presents a pragmatic shift, enabling real-time applications that greatly enhance temporal consistency and performance. From a technical standpoint, FastGen's adoption of causal distillation allows for a dramatic reduction in model complexity. By converting large diffusion models into more manageable blocks, FastGen maintains efficiency without sacrificing the quality of the output. The library is compatible with a range of well-established diffusion models, such as WAN 2.1 and WAN 2.2, facilitating various tasks including text-to-video and video-to-video generation. Running on powerful NVIDIA H100 GPUs, these models not only accelerate processing, but also optimize the temporal consistency of the generated media. NVIDIA's recent update to the Megatron core framework introduces dynamic context parallelism, dynamic CP, revolutionizing training efficiency for large language models handling variable length sequences. Let's break it down. Dynamic CP optimizes computational resources by adjusting context parallelism size per microbatch, combating inefficiencies from traditional methods. Diving deeper technically, Dynamic CP dynamically manages context parallelism to adapt per microbatch, ensuring GPUs are used efficiently without exceeding limits. It partitions input tensors along sequences, reduces data parallel communication overhead, and seamlessly integrates into Megatron Core's existing infrastructure. This functionality has been extensively documented in the NVIDIA NeMo Framework User Guide, which provides insights into effectively implementing these parallelism strategies. Google's Atlas framework represents a groundbreaking advancement in multilingual model training, specifically designed to tackle the complexities associated with optimizing scaling across diverse datasets. The Atlas initiative introduces a pivotal element known as adaptive transfer scaling laws, which markedly elevate model performance, as evidenced by a significant improvement of over 0.3 R² compared to previous scaling methods. This enhancement opens new doors for creating AI applications accessible to non-English speakers, thus broadening the global applicability of AI technologies. Diving into the technical aspects, the Atlas framework integrates an adaptive transfer scaling law that refines the efficiency of scaling in multilingual tasks. A key innovation within Atlas is the cross-lingual transfer matrix, which quantifies the mutual benefits of language pair transfers. This insight facilitates optimal scaling of both model sizes and training datasets, thereby solving a crucial challenge in AI training. Furthermore, the framework identifies computational crossover points, decision nodes determining whether to adopt pre-training from scratch or engage in fine-tuning, providing a strategic map for developing scalable multilingual AI solutions. NVIDIA's latest update to Run AI, version 2.24, introduces a time-based fair share scheduling mode aimed at improving GPU resource allocation in Kubernetes clusters. But why is this update significant? This new feature directly addresses the common issue of resource monopolization, ensuring fairer access to computation resources across various workloads, particularly in shared environments. So how does it work? From a technical standpoint, the scheduler performs continuous recalculations of fair share allocation per node pool. It meticulously evaluates GPU hour consumption against project weights, dynamically redistributing resources based on historical usage data. For instance, if a research group has consumed fewer GPU resources in recent weeks compared to others, the scheduler will prioritize their needs in upcoming allocations. This mechanism is crucial in multi-tenant settings where equitable resource distribution is not only beneficial, but necessary. Moonshot AI has launched Kimi K2.5, setting a new standard in artificial intelligence with its innovative open-source visual agentic intelligence model. Designed for enhanced AI capabilities in both coding and multimodal reasoning, Kimi K2.5's architecture is anchored by its impressive 1 trillion parameters. This expansive setup enables the model to handle a remarkable 256,000 token context window, an achievement that vastly exceeds previous benchmarks in AI. The model utilizes a sophisticated mixture of experts, MOE architecture, incorporating MLA attention mechanisms and SWIGLU activation functions. These elements work in synergy with the Moonvit encoder, which is equipped with 400 million parameters solely for vision processing tasks. This combination empowers Kimi K2.5 with native multimodal capabilities, allowing for seamless integration of visual and textual information. Consulting firms are witnessing a transformative shift as they embrace generative AI, Gen AI, to overhaul their innovation processes. This integration is enabling predictive capabilities and enhancing operational efficiencies throughout the entire innovation lifecycle. By employing Gen AI, these firms are automating tasks that were traditionally manual, significantly reducing project timelines and increasing overall productivity. As a result, organizations are adapting their methodologies, leveraging AI technologies to gain a competitive advantage in an increasingly dynamic market. Consulting firms leveraging Gen AI report up to 40% savings in staff hours, and 68% of consulting organizations have implemented AI tools in the past year. Additionally, 70% conduct quarterly Gen AI training for staff, ensuring their teams remain at the forefront of these technological advancements. This trend underscores a shift towards standardizing AI adoption across the industry, potentially leading to more efficient consulting practices. The rise of agentic AI in customer service offers the potential for improved efficiency and personalized interactions. However, it concurrently highlights a crucial trust gap that needs to be addressed for organizations to fully harness these advanced technologies. According to recent findings from Gartner and Genesis, while a significant 91% of customer experience leaders believe that agentic AI can enhance service delivery, only 31% report having adequate AI governance policies in place, which poses risks to consumer trust and brand reputation. Without addressing these governance and transparency issues, the effectiveness of such systems may be severely limited, undermining customer interactions and potentially increasing churn rates. Bridging the trust gap is not just a matter of improving technology. It involves building consumer confidence through clear communication about data usage and ensuring AI reliability. The ongoing skepticism from consumers around data privacy and the effectiveness of AI systems further complicates the situation. Many organizations are gearing up to invest more in agentic AI, with around 74% planning to increase their AI budgets in the coming year. However, overcoming the challenges posed by the trust deficit remains paramount to achieving successful adoption and optimal deployment of these technologies in the customer experience domain. The recently launched DSGym framework is designed to establish robust benchmarks for training and evaluating data science agents across an extensive catalog of over 1,000 challenges. Developed by Together AI in collaboration with Stanford University, DSGym offers a standardized methodology to assess agents, addressing significant limitations of existing frameworks. Notably, this modular framework permits easy integration of tasks, tools, and agent scaffolds, enabling researchers and developers to create a customized testing environment geared towards optimizing performance and addressing specific applications. The DSGym framework also introduces specialized task collections, such as DSBio, which includes expert-curated bioinformatics challenges, and DSPredict, which spans diverse prediction domains. Early use of DSGym has led to impressive results where models, including a 4 billion parameter architecture, demonstrated superior performance on benchmarks compared to larger models like GPT-4o. This system's modular and extensible nature encourages further exploration and adaptation in the field of data science, which could influence enterprise solutions and enhance the development of robust data science agents. An analysis of the security vulnerabilities of vision language models, VLMs, underscores a pressing need for developers to address adversarial attacks in AI systems. Recent studies have revealed the significant risks posed by various attack vectors, notably the multifaceted attack (MFA) framework, which has successfully exposed safety vulnerabilities in well-defended VLMs, including models like GPT-4o and Gemini Pro. The MFA framework employs advanced techniques such as the attention transfer attack (ATA), leading to alarming success rates in exploiting these vulnerabilities. This situation is compounded by findings from independent research that document how adversarial poetry can manipulate leading AI models. Ensuring the robustness of VLMs against these threats is essential for maintaining data integrity and trust in AI applications, highlighting the urgent need for enhanced security protocols in ongoing developments. Manufacturers are enthusiastic about the potential of artificial intelligence, AI, but encounter major barriers, primarily stemming from poor data quality. According to recent insights from McKinsey & Company, issues such as missing data points, broken sensors, and incompatible data systems significantly hinder the integration of AI technologies in manufacturing operations. The importance of addressing these foundational challenges cannot be overstated, as they directly affect companies' efforts to implement effective AI solutions. A coordinated data-centric approach is essential for cleaning and enriching data, which is a prerequisite for successful machine learning applications. As manufacturers face increasing pressure to adapt and modernize, recent surveys indicate a disparity in readiness for AI adoption. Notably, while 92% of manufacturing leaders believe that AI will offer them a competitive advantage, only 32% feel fully prepared to implement AI technologies. This indicates a striking gap between awareness and action, one that is perpetuated by poor data quality and operational silos. Moreover, the emphasis on developing dedicated teams equipped with the right tools has gained traction in the industry, signaling a shift towards improving the foundational data landscape necessary for AI integration. That's a wrap for today's episode of Daily AI Brief. We covered a lot, from Tencent's breakthroughs in LLM inference and NVIDIA's innovations in video generation and GPU scheduling to Moonshot AI's multimodal marvel. These advancements reflect how AI continues to evolve, pushing the boundaries in various industry applications. Thank you for tuning in. If you found today's insights valuable, please subscribe to our podcast for more in-depth analysis and updates on AI's rapid progression. Don't forget to check out our previous episodes for more expert insights. Until next time, keep coding, keep evolving, and continue to explore the world of artificial intelligence. Stay curious.